upload your app directly on WordPress. We all know that on the norms, WordPress does not allow to upload any APK file directly on your media library. There are ways you can use to upload them. I will be showing you the procedure step by step, and I want you to be following along as we are doing it so that you get everything correctly. So we're going to be using just one plugin for this, and after we are done, we are going to delete the plugin. Don't worry about too much plugins or adding another plugin to the many ones you already have if you try to upload the app normally, like going to media library, add media file, choose file. This is where the app is, and I choose upload. I click on upload. This is the error you will get if you want to upload directly without any modification. Let's follow the method I want to show you. Now come back to plugins, add plugin, file upload types by WP forms. You see it here. This is the main one. You can see the logo. Currently it has 30,000 installations. Just click on install and activate. The plugin you just installed, click on this settings, below it, settings. Scroll down where you see this upload icon. It says drop file here, or click select to select file, or click to select file. Just locate where you put the app and select the app and upload. We are not uploading the app yet, we are just trying to create the file type for the app. The file type has been created. So when you see this, just click on save settings. Now if you come to media, for you to see that the app has not been uploaded yet, come to media and come to library. You see the app is not yet uploaded, we only created the file type. Now let's add media, add file. You choose the app again, upload, then click on successful. So you can see the app has been uploaded successfully without any restrictions. So next thing we are going to do now is just to go and delete the plugin. Install plugins, go to your plugins and deactivate. The reason is WordPress does not allow any app or file to be uploaded for security reasons. So that is why we are going to delete the file to avoid any malicious upload on the website. So we deactivate and delete. This does not affect your app. Your app is still intact and it will not be removed anytime. So this is the file, the APK, and we have successfully uploaded it. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I will show you how you can place this APK on your website. Please like, subscribe, and share this to anyone else that needs this video.